What's going on? What's really happening? I've been trying your number for a whole lot of time. Nothing's going on. Are you avoiding me? What's the problem?
I'm not avoiding you. I told you what happened. I'm new in this town. I relocated after my admission, so I'm trying to understand this place.
What about taking your calls? I've been calling. You've not even been taking your calls.
Oh, that. I actually lost my phone, so I got a new phone right now. And your number isn't stored, so I don't pick unknown numbers.
I thought as much. As a matter of fact, I've been calling you continually. I've been persistent with the calls. And it's been ringing. That's the funny part of it, but nobody picks up.
I just told you the reason.
I really missed you.
And trust me, I miss you too.
But I miss you more.
Just the distance.
So when can I see you? What about catching up tomorrow?
Okay, I will direct you to my house where we live. But before then, I'll have to find out about my brother's schedule. Because I wouldn't want issues at all. I live with my brother, my other brother. I don't live alone. And he's a very, very strict person. That's even the reason I had to see you here. So I'll find out his whereabouts and I'll let you know.
So tomorrow what time though?
I wouldn't know yet. I would tell you over the phone.
I can't wait. I've really missed you. Seriously.
I know you have. But don't worry, I'll give you updates. Okay, sweetheart. Here is it. You are welcome. You're most welcome.
What about your brother?
I know you're scared, right? But he's not around, so you shouldn't be scared at all. I know he's very strict. But guess what? He's going to be at the office till evening. He has a lot to do there.
Oh, that's
so
great.
we're free.
That's so great.
Yes.
Guess what?
What?
I missed you so much.
You missed me?
I do.
I missed you even more. Fire, where?
Fire!
Where? Fire. There's no fire burning. This boy has once again proven himself to be a complete idiot. What kind of nonsense is that?
Someone just tampered with my wine. Yeah. In my absence, yeah.
He touched your wine?
Yes.
Is he mad or something? Let me get you another glass.
No, babe, come on. Don't worry about that. Come on. Let's talk about how much we miss each other. That's the most important thing, you know. Who is that guy, though?
What miserable imp my brother employed to help us with chores in the house. What he does is annoy me all the time. He always getting on my nerves.
It's okay, babe. Come on. It's okay. It's not a problem. That's not why I'm here, you know. I came here for a reason, okay? And you know what? You should know, you know. So, come here, you beautiful thing.
What are you doing? What in God's name are you doing here? Have you not swept the sitting room this morning?
I don't sleep at night, but I don't carry your dirty body clothes sometimes.
You shut up! How did you speak to me like that? Have you lost your senses?
Babe, it's okay.
Have you gone mad?
Let this guy go. Just let him.
Hey! Take yourself out. What did you just say?
Excuse me?
Hey, are you mad? Don't you have respect? How dare you talk to my guests like that? Have you totally lost it? Abuka, enough. This place is neat. And perhaps it needs to be swept again. I will sweep it. Keep that and get away.
No,
Eh?
thanks. Don't help me.
I should not help you.
Excuse me, young man. I've had enough of this insult. Kind of rubbish.
Who's? Can you imagine?
This guy is very, very good with prerogative language. It's okay, baby. Come on, stop walking yourself up. Come on.
What sort of embarrassment is this?
Let that go. Come on. Let it go. Let it go. Just nothing. Okay? Let's talk about something else.
This guy has ruined my mood. What kind of rubbish is this?
Come on, babe. It's okay. He's not important at all.
It's not that easy to just jump out of the mood like that.
Maybe he's a nobody. You don't let that ruin our time. Come on. We've not seen for a while now. Let's talk about our weekend. Tell me some sweet things. How you had some pizza and all that.
I'm actually watching my weight. Didn't have any pizza though.
Really?
Yeah, running away from it.
Do you think you need to watch your weight? You look so sexy.
If I don't watch it,
What?
That's my brother. You have to hide. You have to hide at the back. When he comes in, you go through the back. Follow to the left. Next.
Hi.
Bro,
My sister, how are you?
you're back so early.
Oh yes,
I thought you said you had a lot of things to do at the office.
Oh yes, I am I want to eat.
You eat?
Yes, you told me that the vegetable soup is ready. How
Yes. I mean, no.
What?
Yes. No, I've not started preparing it. I started having crumbs. I've not been myself.
come? Hey, yeah, don't play with me. I want to eat. I want to take something, alright? So go get me the vegetable soup
I
there.
have not started.
And you called me on phone that the food is ready.
No,
What's
you
going on?
You should have mercy on me. I said I'm having crumbs.
I'm sorry about that.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Where you go?
Your boss is inside. I didn't even know he's going to be back this early.
See,
Apoka, this is not a-
Oga, can tell you, that my boss, I tell him say he gave visitor welcome. We want marry his sister. My God just there, say my call bring you.
Apoka. Your boss, that man. No. You can't. You've been deceiving all this time around. Man, this is not. Apoka, this is not time to joke.
Don't judge a book by its cover. My Oga is a very nice man. I told him that when you to came, he came to marry his sister. My God was there happy like small pikin. I even surprised him. See me can go call you. You go even dash you money.
Are you sure?
And I don't go like for you.
Serious? No, serious.
I'm not serious now.
Okay.
I'll make a
Do me, I do you. God, you no go vex so they talk.
You were joking with me when you called me.
I said I'm having crumbs. You don't even care about me.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about the crumbs, but what of Apoka? I didn't see. Who? Apoka, come back here.
What is that?
Yeah, Luther, what's going on? Apoka, who is he?
Sir,
Who are you and what are you doing?
I work here, sir. I mean, sorry. I came
Hey.
I came to see
Are you joking with me or something? Who are you and what are you doing in my house? Oh yeah, what is going on? Apoka,
Sir?
you were supposed to man the gate.
I'm at the gate though.
So how come? How did he get into my house?
Now, Kayako.
Who can I call? Oh yeah? What's going on here?
What did he say?
He said he's here to see you.
Sorry, have we met?
What?
Do I know who you are? No, I don't know him. I don't know him.
I have never seen my sister with any man in my house. So how come? What's going on here? Who are you?
I don't know who he is. He came to see who?
No, sir, I came to see you. Oh, yeah?
Don't call my name.
What are you doing in my house? Who are you?
Sir,
Eh?
I
Come here.
came to see you now.
What are you doing in my house?
Stop calling my
Oh, yeah,
name.
tell him why I'm here now.
Abolga,
Sir?
who is he? Because you are supposed to man the gate.
No.
Who is he and how did he enter my house?
No, yeah, we got come.
What?
Bro, I honestly do not know who this man is. You know how this useless idiot talks all the time? He doesn't like me, obviously. He will always lie against me.
I am not joking this period.
I am
I'm
not
not
joking
joking.
either.
Who is he
I
and
don't
what
know
is he
him.
doing in my house?
Do with him whatever you want. I don't know him.
Oh, yeah?
What are you doing in my house?
Sir,
So you're a criminal, right? You came to my house.
No, even
I will
I
get you straight up. You're a criminal, right? Come here.
If I come on.
Get me if I don't. What is the problem? Huh?
Oga, if they pay me say, if I do tell you truth again, you know they believe me. All the time why they tell you truth, even the time why I suppose like, I they tell you truth because it's my Oga, but you know they believe me again.
What do you want to say? Go ahead and say it. I don't have time for this.
That man will come today where you choke like that. No, you find come.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
I'm very sure, sir.
Very sure?
You don't even know what's up. That time where you never even come out. I did for inside pan. I can't sit there. You know, the teacher I don't sit there. Walk into the room.
Really?
You can shout ah. You don't do 5 minutes. When you can shout ah. I can't say ah. The man who you bring up, why you can't be to you? We shout finish. I can't do puki like this. The man can't beat on top bed. I teach him for ground. Person to beat person. Can't beat on top bed.
Oh.
Abroka,
are you sure what you're saying?
I'm very sure
of what you're saying?
Very
You're sure?
Yes, sir.
You're sure of what you're saying? I'm ready.
They can't go enter their room like this. I can't go out.
Akporoka anonyinye, ona no go kill the person. This too na wire. Which kind people be this year? Wahala dey.
Yeah, one day. I'm off. We're going out to see my friend. Make sure you take care of the house. That gate. Don't ever leave that place. My brother is expecting a visitor. When she comes, usher her in and make her comfortable. If she sends you on an errand, go quietly. I don't want to hear any nonsense. Oh
yeah. So you still they go out, you go meet a man. After all the one you worry about that one about men.
Are you stupid? Look at this insane entity. Look at this fool. So, because we live in the same house and my brother has given you the right to freedom, you think you can talk to me anyhow? Do you want me to slap the living daylight out of you?
So you're done.
If you try that nonsense again, I deal with you. Are you mad? I will tear you to shreds.
That insult me, oh.
Anyway, why am I even wasting my energy on a riff-raff like you? Go and open the gate for me, piglet. And what's funny?
I laugh because of this thing on your back.
No
back
good.
where you won't carry.
No good. What stupid stain?
See, I'm in your back.
What stain are you talking about? I washed my clothes properly.
You sabi wash. Why make I clean it for you?
Clean what for me?
Let me clean it. So back fine. Wow, you have a nice back. I have to do.
Akporoka, which kind person you be, yo? Even Onyinye, which kind person you be, yo?
Oh, really? Are you already on your way? It's fine. I will instruct my gate man. Yes, there's one little boy there. I will instruct him to open the gate for you. Yes, there's one woman and there's a little boy, so don't worry, they will handle it. Yes. Oh, okay. I can't wait to behold your beautiful face again. I'm waiting for you, baby girl. Don't worry yourself. I will take care of you. I'll treat you right. I will treat you well. Alright, baby. Drive safely, yeah? Good. I'm waiting. Alright.
You dey search for fine baby, we get a big bobby, with a nice coffee. Lele, hey, body done the sweet to you, oh. Take 'em easy, oh. Make you dey careful, oh. Shine your eyes, oh. Them dey plenty, oh. Fine, fine baby, oh. Fine lady, oh. Who she?
Who's that?
It's me. Open.
Who be? Nah, that be that.
It's me, Annabelle, your gas friend.
Okay, Anna. Wait. The kid not there with me, oh.
What's the meaning of that rubbish? Eh? Wait, let me call your Oga first.
Oh, come on, girl, I do.
Hello, babe. Yes, I'm right outside. Yeah, but your gate man couldn't let me come in. Please come get me, please.
Mother, you be lying so. Which kind of girl no let me? Your get man no let me. I not tell you I no get. You don't do anyhow. I not tell you I no do the key.
What's going on here?
I don't like to see what the light. I'm gonna have to.
I said, what is going on? Why did you keep my guests waiting?
No, I did not keep your mess with you.
My what?
Your guest. I don't keep your guest with you. Now your sister collect the key. You collect the key, lock the gate, come out.
I don't understand. What rubbish are you talking about? Why did she take it? What happened?
I don't know, maybe she don't want to make your enter.
Abuk, I'm tired of you. I don't like this. I don't like this. Okay, don't worry. Let me get this back.
Sir?
Babe.
Yeah,
Give me a few minutes, please. I'm coming. Few minutes, please. Aboroka. Aboroka.
No, don't make more. Get the bar. Which can do anyhow.
Aboroka.
Sir?
What's going on? I didn't see this Becky.
Baby, you know, look now. Okay, she even carry everything, come on.
She carried this Becky.
Every.
And you're just telling me? Eh? And you're just telling me now?
You know what?
Come here. Come here.
I'm
Yeah.
leaving.
Babe, I'm so sorry, okay? Just
Really?
hold on. Let me do something. I will do something. Don't worry.
Did you bring me out here to embarrass me?
Babe, I said I'm sorry now. Aboroka, get me something. Let me break this. Babe, I said hold on now. Please, let me get me something. Let me break this. Baby, don't worry. Get me something. Let me break this. All right? Fast.
I can't be under this sun, please. I'm leaving.
Babe,
What's that?
babe, don't do that now. Babe, hold on. Give me something. Let me break this thing now. Aboroka, babe, hold on. Get me something. Let me break this. This is just. Come here. Thank you so much. Thank you for frustrating my life today. Thank you for messing my life up.
Bro, don't talk like that. You know, I cannot intentionally jeopardize your happiness. You already told me that you wanted to get married, and I've always supported you. You know that. I cannot intentionally go out with the gate key. I can't even think of such, talk more of executing it. I can't. I am sure this is not far from Aboroka. It is his handwork. I don't know how long you're waiting to chase that miserable being out of this house. He's causing so much disunity and fracas, and I don't like it. Just look at it now. Look at what he has caused. I'm so sorry, bro. I never did it. I know nothing about it.
Where did you go to in the first place?
I went to see a friend of mine, but trust me, immediately you called me, I became unhappy. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I want to be left alone, please. You can leave. You can go now. Thank you. I said leave, please.
I'm leaving. Now, please wait. Wait now, please. I'm sorry. Please. Please.
What is it?
I'm sorry. Forgive me.
Please, about what? Just stop.
I'm sorry.
Sorry about what?
Everything.
Sorry about the fact that you lured me out of my hiding to your brother's net, or that you denied me right in the presence of your brother.
I couldn't have done anything like that. I denied you, yes, but I was trying to save my face. My brother is very strict. I was so scared of what he could do to me.
Really?
Yes, I'm sorry.
You never bothered about what would happen to me from that your monster of a brother.
But you caused it. I told you to go through the back door and then leave once he enters. Why did you come back?
Really? Man, what's the name of that guy? Is it Akporoka or Mporoka? That young man. That young man saw me. I was on my way out. The young man told me that your brother wanted to see me, and that was why I came back.
And you believed him. You know how manipulative and evil that boy could be. You believed him and came inside. Why would you do a thing like that now?
Anyway, whatever it is, to be frank with you, there's no need of being really very chesty about this. Oh, I am really done. I'm done. I've lost interest in all this. I've had enough.
Just like that?
Yes, I've had enough. To be honest, I've had enough.
You cannot be done now.
Man, I've had so much embarrassment and torture. You were not there. So you don't know what I experienced at the station. I've never experienced that in my life before. I've never. I can't do that.
But I already said I'm sorry. So
Yeah.
because of that, you don't want anymore.
That's the more reason we need to prevent that and just call it a day. Let's just call this whole thing like, let's just see it like never happened. Trust me, we can be friends if you want that. Thank you.
Akburuka, which kind person you be, yo? Even Onyinye, which kind person you be, yo? Akburuka na small man with his small body, yo. He no gree at all, oh. He say he no go carry last, oh. See me see wahala de, oh. This two na waya. Akburuka and Onyinye.
Stanley is finally out of the police net. And guess what? He has called off our relationship. Oh, he has called off the relationship because of your stupidity.
I'm sure you don't love him.
You're happy, right?
I'm not that happy. I'm sure you don't love you because they say love is blind. Now when you blind, I go for trailer. Don't be so me and Juliet take that. They die for love you.
I am telling you what your wickedness cost me. And you're still spewing nonsense. You want me to kill you?
I just sorry. I just said I even felt like the juice.
You think say? Is that what you just said? You have done yours.
Sorry nah.
Akburuka and Onyinye, ona no go kill the person, oh. This two.
I'm talking about the woman I want to marry. This time she's coming to stay with us. And she'll be staying up to 1 month. Yes. On a normal, I'm not supposed to call for this meeting. But I want to plead with you. I don't want issues. Please. If you know that you respect me, I want you to accord that same respect to her. Once she comes, let us live calmly. I don't want dramas. I don't want problem. I don't want issues. Abruka, you are the problem in this house. I want you to respect me this 1 month. Let us live in peace. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, sir.
Let us live in peace. I don't want all this your Abruka lifestyle. Ngangara everywhere and then make us nonsense. I don't want it. I'm not here to kid with you this 1 month. In Irenku, it's your answer in Igbo. It's your answer in Hausa.
No, sir.
Respect me, please. Do you have anything to say? You want her to come or you don't want?
Why not? I like her so much. You should come.
Abuka, what about you? Do you have any problem with her?
No, sir.
Your what?
No, sir.
Please, respect me. I know you will respect me, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So go and get the things I told you to bring.
Yes.
So go and get it. So.
I'll be going to the market now since she's coming.
Oh, okay. So you need money.
I need to stock up the kitchen.
Big girl like you. Money. Take it
This
easy.
time around is about, we need like 200,000 because these are very costly now and our foodstuffs has dropped.
200,000 for foodstuffs.
The 200,000 is because we have some. If not, it would have been
I
not
don't
enough.
have 200,000. I have 100. I'll give you 100.
Then your woman won't have enough to eat.
What
when
are
she
you
comes.
buying?
A lot of okporoko, ego,
Oboroko kitchen go with
mangala.
200,000. I don't understand.
A lot of things.
We have bag of rice. We have beans.
But if you're
we
stingy, you're
have,
stingy to your woman. No?
I am not talking about stingy. I'm not stingy, but things are hard. Everybody knows, even the rich. Things are hard. Because
If you bring me like bring 50, I'll buy 50,000 or something.
are you sure you're not coming my money somewhere? I drop what this girl. I'll give you 100,000.
You dey search for fine baby, we get a big bobby, it's a nice coffee. Lele, hey, body done the sweet to you, oh. Take come easy, oh. Make you take care of you.
No, that auntie, she don't come. No, that auntie dey wicked though.
What did she do?
How she go feel leave small boy like me make I carry this big bag?
Oh, you don't agree say you be small boy, but all of get about you don't know say you be small boy. Go and keep her bag in the wardrobe.
Meg. Sure, I don't know.
Doing what? I'll fix the bed if you like, just scatter it. I'll kill you.
This what's
You're crazy.
Hi, you're welcome.
Thank you.
What's I'm sorry.
What's happening
Hey, why would my sister allow such? Oh, babe, sorry. Can you sit here? Let me fix this for you. Hey, don't worry. Can you sit? Okay, don't worry. Sit here. Let me fix. You know, I have people that clean my room for me. I used to pay some people. Maybe some missing. Sorry, babe. I'll fix this now. Don't worry. You know, I'm a gentleman. I know how to do things. I can do things myself. Hey, so you get married to a hardworking man. Oh yes, don't worry yourself. I can do these things myself. I can handle this thing myself. Aha. Yeah. 1 minute, right? I'll be back soon. Aha. Yeah. Yeah, baby girl. Don't worry. Don't worry. Strong.
You dey start for
Yeah.
fine, baby.
1 minute, okay?
We get big coffee. It's nice coffee. Lele, hey. Body done the sweet to you, oh. Take come easy, oh. Make you take careful, oh. Shine your eyes, oh. Them there plenty, oh. Fine, baby, oh. Fine lady, oh. Who she be? Them there plenty. Fine, baby, oh.
I'll put them in their place. Oh, sorry. Don't worry yourself. Are you okay? Are you good?
Yeah, you know, as a clean girl that I am, I'm trying to arrange your house for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you don't have to wait for them. I'm here now. It's okay. Hold on.
Right. You know, married someone cool with that.
Great! Stop! Oni, your brother was very mad at you about what happened yesterday.
Honestly, this whole thing is just so surprising to me. Because I personally fixed that room. I mopped everywhere, I fixed the bed, and it was fine. So I'm hearing this is very surprising to me. Please, I hope you were not embarrassed.
Come on, embarrassed? I wasn't. I helped arrange everywhere.
I was so surprised when you told me that. I know my brother, I know who he is. He hardly forgets things.
Really?
I know him, but it's fine. I know how to handle him. Okay, I was going to tell you, right? There's this new movie that came out at the cinemas. We can just go there later and just, see the movie, have fun and all of that.
I would love to go, but I have to seek for your brother's permission first. He has to give me his permission. If he doesn't, I can't go out. You know that.
No. He will permit you.
Let's
We might even go together, the three of us.
Really?
Yes.
I'll have to talk to him then.
Alright.
It's fine.
At times in no be as you they see something no be so that he need to be. Now he make her they say no they rush they conclude. No. I they look for fine body. I they look for fine face. Yo. I no say, now for inside the way beauty day. I for lose better thing, no. With me, I dey find nothing. Thank God, say me, I can't know myself. Oh, no be everything where they glitter. Now in the gold, oh, for inside this life, oh, I don't learn my lesson. Oh, yeah, make you they see well, before you can't they judge you. Because I for make mistake, oh. Where I they look for fine baby. No be everything where they glitter. I in the gold, oh, for inside.
Aburuka! Oh yeah? Please come to my room fast.
Sir?
Where's my ATM card?
ATM? I don't know where you do.
Where you called?
Where is my ATM card?
ATM card.
Yes.
What are you doing with your ATM?
Who cleaned my room today?
Why are you moping at me like a goat head? He did. So you provide the ATM card and stop looking at me like that. Were you not the one that
I left my ATM card here. How come?
I don't go there.
I'm not talking about that. Where is my ATM card? I don't get it.
But I'm not entered this your room today. He cleaned it. So you should be able to answer that question.
You cleaned my room. Where is my ATM card?
Yeah. Sir?
I said, where is my ATM card? Did they go out?
I don't know.
But you are the one that cleaned the room?
Sir?
Are you the one that cleaned the room? Huh?
I don't go your ATM.
You said you were the one that cleaned the room, right?
Yes, sir.
So where did you keep my card?
I don't see him.
You know Siam?
Yes, sir.
You know Siam? How did it disappear? Huh? I'm not joking with you. Where is my ATM card?
I don't see it, sir.
What about the woman leader? Where is she?
I don't know whether she...
Go and call her for me now.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Go now,
Right,
please.
sir.
Be fast about it.
Okay, sir.
My brother, that's easy too. I asked them, but none of them admitted they stole the ATM. So I quickly ran to the bank and blocked my account. But my problem is that the 150,000 already gone.
My God. Well, you did the right thing by blocking the card, to avoid further reoccurrence.
Oh yes,
What is this?
It's confusing. Eh? The little boy I'm living with is daft. I don't think he can even handle ATM.
Greg, are you the one saying this? Yes, he might be daft, but if he has the right friends, they can help him out if he's actually the one that took the card. And you said Annabelle was in the house.
Oh yes, but she's out of the picture. Oh yes, I'm not even suspecting her. Annabelle is a big girl now, she cannot do that. I don't even see her from that angle.
Okay.
I'm still suspecting that little boy. Well, what you just said now, maybe something like that happened.
Well, that might be true or not, but you don't have the evidence to back it up. So that's it's as good as nothing. So I will only advise you become more careful. Keep your things safe in the house.
Well, I'm careful.
I mean, you can see that something like this can actually happen. So just be careful to avoid further occurrence.
I'm careful. I'm careful. I'm careful. 150,000 gone like that. Something I would have even used this weekend. Marry and enjoy myself.
So sorry about the loss, brother, but I mean, it has happened.
Yeah, well, 150,000. Why have you used them for it? Nice. So I'm not happy at all.
Yeah,
I'm really happy.
I understand.
I'm not happy.
At times in no be as you they see something no be so that he need they be. Now he make how they say no they rush they conclude no. I they look for fine.
Do you have friends that I don't know?
Friends? No. Only friends who I get now that baggy. with the carry up back home. Only that one I get.
I'm not talking about the other girl. Do you have any friend that is tech savvy?
Like to a savage. No. I understand.
Do you have any friend that knows how to operate the phone, laptops, and the internet?
No. You 419 bow. Where will you go my phone now? I don't have any 419 friend.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
You can go.
Thank you, sir.
But make sure you're not lying to me, because if I find out that you have friends that are manipulative, that's your end here.
Thank you, sir.
I will lock you up for 20 years in prison. And I'm serious about it.
Yes, sir.
Get out.
Sir.
Thank you.
Auntie,
What's that your name again?
Aboroka.
Aporoka.
Yes.
Funny name.
I want to say something.
Okay.
What
is it? Now go ahead and say it.
I don't complain about how you treat me for this house. Imagine. No only to open all the thing I go and do for this house. No only 2 times I did chop. No only 2 times they give me food. Hunger they wire me.
Really?
Yeah.
Only 2 times?
And they no good.
Only 2 times?
I want me help me one more.
I should warn her for feeding you only 2 times. You should be grateful and thankful to God for a master like yours that feeds you twice daily and pay your bills. You should be grateful. What's wrong with you?
Good. Don't worry. Bye-bye.
Come back here. Where's my change? My change.
I'm 15 naira.
You steal my money, right? Hand it over to me. Thank you.
Ready. Now, 15 naira. Wait. Did this auntie just collect 25 naira from me? Ordinary 25 naira. What to 25 naira buy? Because I don't eat them already. This auntie me no. This auntie no they give teacher at all. Try.
What are you doing here? Get out! I have a lot in my head now. You are the least of my problem. Get out!
Go.
Akmuruka, which kind person you be, yo? Even Onyinye, which kind person you be, yo? Akmuruka na small man with a small body, yo.
Are you serious? You must think you. I even say she better pass me. I don't say yeah better pass her. I think say she dey here to save me. She not dey here to save me. Then I said them to give me 2 times. He don't tell me make I be grateful. This woman like good things, but na hatred, na battle for her blood.
Don't you want a glass of wine?
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm good.
Okay. So, tell me more about your brother.
My brother? My brother is actually a cool person. Very, very cool person. He has a very wonderful heart. Very accommodating spirit. But he can be very mean.
I see.
When I mean, very, very mean when he wants to be. But when he's in love, just like now, he's always very soft. And then he took after my father when he passed on. He's been so good, taking care of my family and everything.
So, how many siblings?
We are 4 in my family.
Ooh.
Yes, my brother happens to be my favorite.
I see.
Yes, he's taking care of everybody. He saw me through school. He's been there for me.
So, tell me more about his investment.
Okay. Well, he has got a couple of investments, although he doesn't really discuss all of that with me. But I'll tell you about the few I know.
Okay.
Aside this house, he has another house like this that is rented.
Really?
Yeah, he's on rent. And he has a lots of landed properties. Lots of them. Numbers of them. Yes, he believes in property, so he invests in them a lot. And we also have a house like this in the village.
Wow.
Yeah, he built it. My brother has really tried. He has really invested well, considering his age, and I'm so proud of him.
That's beautiful and reassuring, you know. But does it mean he keeps money in the house or?
Yeah. He used to keep money at the house, like all the time. But recently he started complaining of thefts, and I don't even know who takes his money. Because I know that idiot that we live with can be really crazy, but I don't know him to be a thief. Maybe he started. He can even do anything, I don't know. So, because of that, my brother stopped keeping money at home.
I see.
Yes. And wifey, please, I would really love you to help me talk to my brother.
Okay.
That boy, I need him to be sacked. He has practically reduced the love my brother has for me. When he does things at home, I talk to my brother about them, and he does not even care. I don't even know how he bought my brother's heart. He literally believes everything he says. So please just help me. Yeah, let me talk to him. I don't want that boy in this house again. I need him to be relieved of his duties. It's not like he even does. He's so fat. Doesn't do anything. Open the gate. He's too short to open gate. Clean the house. He doesn't even. He's of no use. It's just a bad luck. Want him out of this house.
At times, see, no be as you they see something, no be so that he need they be. Now he make they say, no they rush, they conclude though.
Shut up! Are you stupid? Talk to me now. Where is my money? Eh? Yeah, shut up! Where is my money? Eh? Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Tell your brother to give me my money now. I need my money now. Did you hear what I said?
Okay, see, I know my brother. He can do anything, but you see that money? I don't think he's the one that collected it.
So, I don't understand what you're saying. Who took it? Eh?
Me, I don't know now because him cannot go and do that kind of a thing. Huh?
I can see. Is it now on a teamwork? Yes. Are you telling me that you're the one that stole my money? Tell me. Did he use you to steal my money? Eh?
Okay, is it not you that said I should not be coming to this house? You say everything I'm doing should be at the gate. Even toilet and shipping at the gate can I? The last time I entered here, is it not your sister that says they come and report to me? After that, he said, don't come again.
I understand that, but there's something you said. When you came in, you told me that you came with voodoo or whatever, that you came with juju, right? So tell your juju to give me my money. I need it now. Tell me who stole my money.
You say you're a Christian, I don't need juju. And I use it in and give to my colleague. You don't get to with the juju.
Where is my money?
Bro, please. Yeah. I know this idiot here could be a lot of things.
Okay.
And you know it has never been okay between the two of us. I'm not supporting him. I know he's evil, but a thief? He hasn't stolen before. So I'm just wondering are you sure he's actually the one that stole the money?
So you're backing him now, right?
What?
Are you the one that stole my money?
Bro, are you okay? How dare you label me that?
So how come? Are you the one that took my money?
Is that, what kind of
I don't understand. So tell me where you...
No, baby, calm down. Please.
truth. Now you collect that money.
I wanted to give my oga money now. I wanted to give my oga money. And they should be saying that person set me up. Because my oga never accused me. Say I steal money.
Like true, not you collect them.
I want to collect my oga money where they even pay, where they feed me on top.
This is just funny. See, I'm suspecting that Oga sister. I swear, that time they were flogging you. The time she was doing eye like this, laughing. I'm not just saying that she collect that money. Now she just want to set you up. But because I know you, my brother. You cannot collect that money. You are not a thief. See, that thing don't touch me. Now she collect that money. What do you do? On that
I know you don't like me. And trust me, I do not like you either. I know you could be a lot of things though. But I don't know you to be a thief. So just tell me the truth. It is just you and I here. Did you actually take that money? Have you also become a thief?
Did you say it's just two of you that are here? So me and Nambuzi cook. I am nothing, zero.
Because I'm not referring to you now. Whether you're here or not, it's not my business.
Okay.
Abroka, answer my damn question. Have you also become a thief? You see?
Akpo, don't talk. See, let me tell you. Let us tell ourselves the truth. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Let's call spade a spade. If I joke with Koya.
In other words, what are you trying to say?
It's only two of us that are here. Yes. If you're the one that collected that money, say it. Koya Kitanu, your brother is not here.
Wait, are you mad? Have you lost it? Wait, are you indirectly calling me a thief?
You see? If you only one of them for me, but did I call that thief, Akpo? Isn't I said that you collected money? You can collect money to keep it for your brother. So you need to go there replace it.
That means you're calling me a thief in my brother's house.
Wait.
You have started again.
What
the one you did last is not enough for you. You started.
I say whether you collect, you can still replace. Collect, not be thief.
Whether I collect.
Then to save, to help and secure.
You are very stupid. And you will see the end of what you do.
Ha.
Bro.
That's not bro. My broom. Now she, see that guy that was flogging you. He did the eye like this, he laughed. I said, oh, now you do that thing. So what you will do now is we are going to fire back. It just me and you. But I'm gonna go up and down. Papa knows.
Fine lady, who she be? Them full everywhere. Fine baby, but to who she fine be? Lady, who she be? One day we go know.
My man, what's up? This one you refuse to enter inside. Is everything okay?
Do you know that Tina has been the one dropping those notes on my car?
What?
Oh yes.
Tina!
What? You know, she has been calling my line and I could not pick. You know now, I don't want all those frame up with fake pregnancy. I'm pregnant, I'm this and that. I don't need it. So I ignored her to call totally. I don't know why she has been pestering my life, trying to get in touch with me. But I don't have a business with her anymore.
Wait. Is Tina pregnant?
Yes, she's pregnant. But that is fake pregnancy. I don't care. I don't want to know that thing. You know those girls now, they will just want to use pregnancy to trap you down. I don't need it. And all those bullshit that she's looking out for me, doing this, doing that. I don't finish my game with her. She should find her way out of my life.
Yeah, but at the same time, you guys broke up or you just stopped picking her calls or...
Baba, you just ask questions like say you be small picking. Huh? I see my perfect match. I had to leave all those ones I play with and focus on her. Eh? Can you compare the two? Tina and Annabelle. Can you compare the two? You cannot compare. The other one, Gada. You carry... You know what I'm talking about, Ago.
See, Greg, you're a professional in this game of yours. I don't know why this one is choking you.
No, it's not like it's choking me. You know all these small slim girls, all those small slim girls, where they lepa. Nah, those ones now like pin, they go hook you for here. You don't know how to take freedom. She don't get yash, flash yash, everything. I don't understand though. I don't tire. I want to follow the Ikebe where I don't see. That's what makes me happy. Everybody have spec. I was managing her just to cure, you know. But now I don't see my spec, and I'm going for my specs. You know, she's framing pregnancy and all that. I don't need it. I don't want pregnancy. I don't want anything. I don't want to be trapped down.
Greg, like I will always say, I will also end this conversation today again with thread with caution.
Brother,
just be careful.
The worst thing that will happen to a man is death, and I'm out for that. Whatever thing that comes.
Okay.
Women cannot kill me. A woman cannot kill me. So at worst, mess her up. So let me tell you, I don't know. I came for you to tell me, advise me. What do you want me to do now?
What will you do? You always have your way out. Do your thing.
Shall I do my thing or
your thing?
My thing is I will go and confront her. She should live my life.
Be careful.
Thank you.
Still be careful.
Where did you go to? I've been coming when I went out. Where did you go to?
Okay. I mean, everyone.
Okay, what?
Rolling Stone Mark, I found myself. You come make it yourself.
Please, you have to be careful with me. I don't know if Obroka, did he tell you who I am? You have to be careful with me. Did you hear what I said?
Yes.
I don't like this.
I'm not sure.
Where is he? Where is Obroka? Where is Obroka?
He said, "Go to the toilet room and shut that goes on."
Yeah, come back here. Come back here. Please, I want you to wash my car. Did you hear what I said?
Yes.
Wash my car.
Yeah.
Rubbish.
Hey.
David, let's go first.
Jesus. Person no go rest every time. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Akroka.
Who's that? Shout.
What did you do?
I did just fast. I don't see and I don't know who they steal all the money we did to our guys. Now that sister.
Which one is sister?
That sister, that our guy different.
No lie.
I hear her now.
How?
I hear cover this face. I hear now she did thief all the money. Come here,